Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Individual Contributor Podcast. My name is Ryan Lallier. First and foremost, I'm an individual contributor. I'm in the trenches. I'm an enterprise AE in the data and AI space. Speaking of AI, the debate has resurfaced. Will AI replace salespeople? The answer is still no. The evidence is there to support that claim and that answer. What do I mean? We are seeing a steady increase in headcount amongst all SaaS cloud technology companies. They're hiring more sales reps. They just are. Territories are growing, demand is growing, etc. On top of that, we're seeing a increase in sales reps actually hitting their on-target earnings and even surpassing that. And a great resource that you can leverage to basically fact check this is a website called RepVue. It's, I think, REPVUE. A guy named Ryan Walsh is the CEO and founder of that company. What they basically do is benchmark pretty much all things sales related metrics. So anything from like job stuff to company performance, quota attainment at companies per company, which companies are like doing really well and have the best sales teams and have the lowest churn rates amongst both headcount and customers. So really good stuff to check out. Give it a follow on LinkedIn. It's definitely data worth relying on and depending on for sure. But I want to get back to the AI thing. And it's interesting because we've been hearing for years now that AI is going to replace sales reps, right? Like this AI agent can do the following 10 things better, faster, more efficiently than salespeople. And that's the wrong use case. I think you actually have to take on the inverse of that. And what I mean is, we as salespeople, the very best individual contributors out there today, are leveraging and embracing this technology for their own benefit. They're using it to prepare for meetings, establish a point of view before a meeting, really just get all of their ducks in a row research-wise and insights-wise before even getting on a phone call with an executive or a business user or really just someone that they want to sell to and pitch. So I think it's critically important that we all understand and take the stance that these tools, when used and used well, make us that much better as a salesperson, which is why I think more and more reps today are achieving OTE and above. And I think more and more reps today are being hired because companies are seeing an increase in sales because these tools are being used at the root level or base level by their sales teams. Perplexity comes to mind. Obviously, ChatGPT, the Claudes, like all these different tools that help you either curate information before meetings, maybe even send out a meeting recap once you had a meeting, like takes all your notes for you and creates a really nice, summary. All of those things are great to use for pre-meeting and post-meeting. But the best reps today come into these meetings with a point of view, and that point of view is rapidly established through the use of tools like Perplexity or really any other AI-driven tool that's going to help you collect information rapidly. It's going well beyond just using these tools for search. So AI will not replace you unless you decide not to use it. And I'm seeing this across the board where I know reps that are either my age or older who are not embracing these tools, right? LLMs, AI, all these efficiency, information gathering tools for the simplest tasks, just like generating pipeline, sending out emails and content, and doing so to really speed up and accelerate their ability to get more meetings and get in front of customers. At a minimum, it is crucial that you, again, use these tools to show up to a meeting and sound intelligent. It will separate you from the rest. So think about that. Check out RepVue. I'll put a link in the video comments there so you can kind of go check these guys out and see what they're up to. But they really do provide some great benchmark analysis. And if anything, it's a sanity check and a gut check for us as salespeople to say, am I working at the right company? Am I doing the right things? And am I getting paid what I'm worth? But use AI to do your job better. AI will not replace you. Talk to you soon. See ya.